Peeps, you know Jamaican people stay more time. You know most Jamaicans think deeply into them image and grooming. You understand? And when Jamaicans are go airport for fly out, are the hottest, cleanest thing them. And when them a fly come a yard, you know them have to come a yard clean. So me I say suitcase well clean and neat, shoes clean, outfit clean, hairstyle pan point. That's what me I say. So imagine I know you go airport. Everybody have them suitcase with them and a step through and you see a man forward in an airport and now with a CROCUS bag as him luggage. You understand what I say? But because you see, I have my take on that. Cause you see, as long as a man a do him thing and him a do him thing legally and a hustle him a hustle, a man has a respect for that every time. We a chat about it. Soon come. Farmer carries CROCUS bag as luggage through airport. Would you carry a CROCUS bag to the airport or travel overseas with it as a piece of luggage? Delroy Renton, a farmer of Cornwall, St. Elizabeth, had no qualms about doing so. Man, a general. The 42-year-old Rastafarian said that having purchased a few bushels of peanut in his hometown, he felt compelled to take some of the produce with him to the United States to share with family and friends. Real Jenna. And using a suitcase was not on his mind. He used a CROCUS bag. Me a Jamaican and my life move like a Jamaican. Only a Jamaican you would see with them bag there travel. Renton, who also goes by the name Rastafarian Soldier, said, "Man a real man. Me not embarrassed to make you know say, man a countryman and man a farmer," he added. He said he sees nothing wrong with bag even though people attempted to clone him. Yo, me rate the man, Jano. Renton said that when he landed at the Fort Lauderdale International Airport Friday afternoon, a customs officer ate some of his peanuts. He however said that the experience was not all warm. When me land, the people them look at me like me have two heads. He recalled. He said that having cleared customs, he was unable to get a ride to his mother's house. When we reach up and I call my sister, me can't get no ride, he said. He said that he saw a bicycle outside, which he believes was left there by a relative for him, and rode home with a CROCUS bag of peanuts. A man almost lit me off of the bicycle with the peanut on the front of the bicycle he had it. Yo, if you don't see the video yet, see it yeah.
Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Where the eye in here? That's the far right side. Yeah. Yeah. Where the eye I go? Out of here. Full out of here. Yeah. You got my face. Look. Look. Alright. 952455180. Alright, me I come look for you.
Them a preach and preach. Step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach. Beat and teach. Beat and teach.
You see Father Renton, you know, I rate the man because the man a stay true to him roots. You understand what I say? The man a do things for him way. See? The man not take no press, the man not watch what I go on a treat. The man feel like see a certain thing for God. The man in a suitcase thing. The man a house. The man a can't peanut for share with him. See, some people are custom beat some of the nuts them. You see me the pan? You understand what I say? I know say nobody will watch this right now, but I said nobody still. But majority of you out there who don't do that. You see me answer because we see a face and we don't like when people look upon a certain way. But the rest no business with a guy. You understand? The rest a chat earth said way. And the man do business, the man reach Lauderdale and link up him charges them and him people them said way with him CROCUS bag. You see me answer? So a legality thing, the honesty thing there. You see me answer? We are chat earth more time. You see materialistic things, you know, really make no sense really and truly still. So Rasta man, go and hold it. And ladies, you see the man call out him number, when you give the man a call, do it quick, less than 3, I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.